Welcome back to the Law Show. I'm attorney Brian Dailey, broadcasting live from high atop the Law Show studios in the Windy City, Chicago. It's the Law Show, heard every Saturday morning at 10 a.m. If you would like to hear the prior episodes, go to our website, thelawshow.com, and navigate to prior episodes. You'll find them right there, and lots of valuable information, legal information that you can use to plan your lives and your next decisions about all kinds of different things. Call us at 855-529-7469. If you have a question right now, you can email your questions to questions@thelawshow.com. You can also, if you're near a computer, you're going to be near a computer, go to thelawshow.com, click on the Watch Live, and you will see yours truly answering legal questions right now from my studio at the Law Show studio. I'm going to continue answering all these questions, and I'm going to talk to Pete now. Pete, welcome to the Law Show.
Good morning. I have a question regards to an acquaintance, senior citizen.
Yes?
She went on a ski trip with a group of friends, and she's approximately 66 years old, or 67. Anyways, on the second day of the trip, they were in the lounge in the evening.
You were where?
And, in the lounge, in the bar, the lounge, and there was music, and they were dancing.
Yes.
And the individual she was dancing with, an acquaintance, anyways, he tried to flip her over his hip, and he landed on top of her and broke her leg.
Oh, my Lord.
Yeah, in two places. It was a spiral break, and as a consequence, she's going to be laid up for about 6-7 months.
That's horrible.
It is horrible. Definitely horrible. Very, very stupid accident. Now, she doesn't seem to be having any luck with getting information relative to a personal injury case. I think she has a cause of action through the dram shop laws. I had a restaurant bar one time, and I know I had to carry liability for anything that happened in my facility. And,
wait, Pete,
I was
hold
just
on.
Wondering,
Pete.
You could tell me.
Pete,
I think she definitely has a cause of action.
Pete, hold on. The bar didn't do anything wrong. It was the patron dancing who flipped her. He's got homeowners.
Yeah, but it could have been the alcoholic beverages he had consumed. You never know. You know what? Done that under different circumstances. That case
doesn't carry a bit of water. I would never file that lawsuit against the bar, but I certainly would file against the partner because the partner has liability insurance on his homeowners, and that certainly could be a source of funds to cover her out of pockets and her wage loss and her medical expenses and things like that. I'm gonna find out. Does your friend live in Colorado?
No, she lives here in the Chicago area.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, has she talked to this man about this? Is he willing to do anything?
Pardon?
Is he willing to do his duty on this, or what?
She's willing to. Yes, she's willing, but she seems to be getting advice that is to the contrary, that she has no cause of action.
I think she's got a great cause of action.
I think so also. You say not against the facility itself, but against the homeowner's insurance of the person who was responsible.
Absolutely. I think that she's got a great cause of action. I'd love to handle that cause of action. I hope you have her call me.
Yes, I would. Can you give me the direct line number to your, and I will, I pass that on to her.
Yeah, it's 855 Law Show. 855 Law Show. 855 Law Show. That'll come
that's it, huh?
Yeah, it'll come right to me.
All right, I should be calling you today, but I will get in contact with her. I think she's going to, out of town for the weekend with her daughter. Her daughter took her. But
how long ago did this happen?
Information to her, and I'm sorry, I turned on your show about 10 minutes ago, and I don't have your name, sir. Can I get that?
Yes, it's Brian Dailey. How long ago did this thing happen?
This happened this last month.
Okay. Well, she's only got 2 years to pursue it, so have her get in touch with me right away, okay?
She has, pardon me, I didn't catch that. She has how long?
2 years.
Oh, 2 years to pursue. All right, yeah. Brian.
Thanks for calling the Law Show.
L-E-B-Y?
Just
All right, thank you so
just
much.
call me at the 855 Law Show. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 855-529-7469. That's 855-529-7469. I want to remind everybody that the Law Show Extra continues after we go off the air on WLS, 890 AM WLS. If you're in line, don't hang up when the show goes off of WLS. You can tune in to thelawshow.com. The number works. And we'll continue answering questions as long as people call. Usually it runs quite a long time. I'm here quite a long time in the afternoon. So call us at 855-529-7469. Let's talk to Ann.
Hello?
Ann, welcome to the Law Show.
Yes, hello. I thoroughly enjoy your program. Thank you for taking my call.
You're welcome.
A little over 3 years ago, I was involved in a DUI. Stupid. I can't go on enough about how stupid it was.
You know, don't beat yourself up. Lots of people go through it, and if it's the only time it's ever happened, then I'm going to give you a get out of jail free card on this one now.
Thank you. What happened was I don't recall hitting another vehicle. I recall sideswiping a low back trailer, the type that would carry cars, that was being that was attached to a pickup truck. It was unflagged. However, I got a letter from an attorney that the pickup truck claimed I had done $8,000 worth of damage to his truck. He ended up being compensated by my insurance company. A year and a half after the accident, I got the same information, the same paperwork from another law firm claiming the same damage and asking for the same amount of money.
For the same person? Hello? Looks like we lost Ann. We're going to go to another phone. We're going to talk to Glenn. We're going to try Glenn again. Glenn, welcome to the Law Show.
Yeah, I hope that connection's a little better.
Much better. Thank you so much. I appreciate your patience.
I appreciate your time. The question I have is that back in '89, my wife and I bought a corporation from her parents.
Yes.
We wrote a contract on it at that time, and the payments were to be simple interest along with quarterly payments above a set amount of receivables. We did that up to 2000, and then thereafter, unfortunately, we haven't made any payments due to repairs needed in the business and just sales dropped off.
What kind of business is it? Don't name the business, but what kind is it?
It's a small manufacturing company.
Okay, and it's underwater. You owe more than you're making?
At this time, I'm thinking so.
So what's your question for me?
The question I have is I talked to the
Glenn, are you there? I'm going to try to get Glenn back.
Hello?
Glenn, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So you went off the air just as I was getting to your question. So hold on. We've got to end the show today. Unfortunately, all good things must come to an end, and the Law Show is no exception. Good news is I'll be back next week at 10 a.m. on 890 AM WLS. If you're on the line, stay on the line. The Law Show Extra continues. If you're still listening, call us at 855-529-7469 for the Law Show Extra. We'll answer all your questions as we move along. I'm Brian Dailey. I'm host of the Law Show. I'm founder of the Dailey Law Firm. I appreciate you listening. I appreciate you supporting the firm and our nationwide, worldwide growth. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions, but not until next Saturday. So save them up for then. Make sure and sit down for a free initial consultation to find out what kind of questions you have to ask about your legal rights. It may not always be worth pursuing, but you got to find out so you can make intelligent decisions. I'm Brian Dailey. I'll see you next week.